Which of the following property is not inconsistent with corpuscular theory? So first again I'm explaining what is Newton's corpuscular theory. Newton's corpuscular theory. First, light emits tiny, weightless particles, called as corpuscles. Different colors are due to different sizes and masses of corpuscles. Velocity of light in denser is greater than velocity of light in rarer. When they strike retina, short form I am writing, when they strike retina of eyes, we feel sensation of vision. They get attracted, they get repelled. By this we can explain refraction. By repulsion we can explain phenomenon of reflection of light. So light travels in a straight line perfect. Velocity of light in more is greater is wrong because denser is more. So which is not matching or not inconsistent? Option B. Option B is not inconsistent. Second, Huygens concept of secondary wave is useful in doing geometrical construction of a wavefront. Option C. Third, according to Huygens principle, every particle of the medium on the wavefront behaves as new source and sends secondary wave. That means option B, correct?
Yes.
Fourth one, which of the following is correct relation between wavefront and ray of light? Wavefront and ray of light means wave normal. Which is correct? Pardon? A option. It is normal to the wavefront. Fifth, spherical wavefront are produced by point source. Isotropic medium is one in which light travels with same speed in all direction. So light travels in all direction with different speed, wrong. Ray of light makes angle 0 with wave normal, correct, because ray of light and wave normal both are same. This is ray of light. This only is called as wave normal. So angle between them is 0 is absolutely correct. Option D. 7. In which of the following case do we in which of the following cases do we obtain spherical wavefront? See, for spherical wave front we require point source. So wherever we get point source, that will give us spherical wavefront. Sunlight means parallel beam of light. When it passes through convex lens, converges at a point. So this will behave like point source. So A is the answer. A option. 8. Angle between incident ray and mirrored surface. This is mirrored surface. This is incident ray. Angle between them is 90 degree. So what is the angle of reflection?
Same.
Here angle of incidence is 0. So angle of reflection will be 0. Angle of incidence is not angle with surface, it is with normal. So I is 0, R is 0. Same. What is same? Completed? Till 9th completed?
Yes, sir.
Sandesh, you are there? Sandesh?
Yes, sir.
Why you joined so early? Yes, why you joined so early?
सर नेटवर्क
नो ठीक है, नेटवर्क नहीं मिलता. आपने 9 बजे स्टार्ट किया तो नेटवर्क 10 मिनट में मिला ना आपको. 8:40 को स्टार्ट करते तो नेटवर्क मिल जाता ना पहले. नौ बजे स्टार्ट करेंगे तो नेटवर्क मिलने तक तो 10-12 मिनट जाएगा ही ना. तो स्टार्ट 10 मिनट्स अर्ली. नहीं. A ray of light making angle 10 degree with horizontal is incident on plane mirror. Do you know this property? When incident ray is kept fixed, and mirror is rotated by angle theta, then reflected ray will rotate by 2 theta. Are you knowing this?
Yes.
This reflected ray is, earlier it was incident ray and reflected ray in same line. But when we rotated this, then reflected ray turned by 2 theta. So using this property, I can do 9. A ray of light making angle 10 degree with the horizontal is incident on the mirror. Making 10 degree with horizontal, that means 80 degree with vertical, is incident on mirror. So reflected ray will also turn by 10 degree. That means 80 with the normal and 10 with the mirror. This one clear?
Yes.
They are saying what should be the angle by which mirror rotated so that reflected ray goes vertically upward. Reflected ray will go vertically upward when it turns by 90 degree. Correct or not?
Yes.
When it turns by 80 degree, then only it will come here, na, reflected ray, this way and move. So reflected ray turns by 80, it comes in upward direction. So that means reflected ray should rotate by 80 degree. That means 2 theta should be 80. Theta should be 40 degree. Option B.
Sir, B.
40 is B. Yeah, can I clear it?
Yes, sir, done.